moment an aircraft flies into the clouds, pilots no longer have any outside visual references that can give them a sense of direction. Because of that, they may have the feeling that the aircraft is flying horizontally, while in reality it is banked and making a turn. This feeling is called spatial disorientation, and it can be a contributory factor in serious aircraft accidents. Spatial disorientation is an overpowering feeling, one that a pilot can only overcome by systematically checking the flight instruments. But if a pilot is distracted from the instruments and he guides the aircraft by his senses, sensory illusions possibly form a serious threat.
I will discuss the vestibular system. The vestibular system is a sensory system responsible for providing our brain with information about motion, head position, and spatial orientation. It is also involved with motor functions that allow us to keep our balance, stabilize our head and body during movement, and maintain posture. The main components of the vestibular system are found in the inner ear in a system of compartments called the vestibular labyrinth, which is continuous with the cochlea. The vestibular labyrinth contains the semicircular canals, which are 3 tubes that are each situated in a plane in which the head can rotate. Each of the canals can detect one of the following head movements: nodding up and down, shaking side to side, or tilting left and right. The semicircular canals are filled with a fluid called endolymph. When the head is rotated, it causes the movement of endolymph through the canal that corresponds to the plane of movement. The endolymph flows into an expansion of the canal called the ampulla, within which there are hair cells, the sensory receptors of the vestibular system. At the top of each hair cell is a collection of small hairs called stereocilia. The movement of the endolymph causes movement of these stereocilia, which leads to the release of neurotransmitters to send information about the plane of movement to the brain.
Altitude.